Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am in a hurry, I am running late. Me and the family spent all this morning at the Cincinnati Zoo. Had an absolute blast. It's about 4 o'clock now. I'm hoping I can be in the woods by 5 because yesterday at 5:30 there was a deer in front of where I'm going to be sitting tonight. So I'm hoping that I can get into the woods by 5, but if I'm going to do that, I'm going to have to book it. I am extremely unprepared today. My cameras are currently charging in the truck. So hopefully they last through the night. That being said, I'm on my way out there now. Next time I see you, will be in the woods. Good afternoon. It's just after 5. I made it in on time. It's about 82 degrees. I just got set up. Seems a little silly, but as much work as I put in to get my bow dialed in, and then I'm sitting out here with the crossbow. Maybe it's a little silly, but oh well. Anyway, wish me luck. I'm not going to be very picky today. Pretty much unless it has spots or is a small spike buck, it'll probably get shot at. So, anyway, I'm going to shut up. Get settled in here because yesterday they were in front of this camera at 5:30. So, hopefully I didn't push it too hard. Here we go. Unfortunately, the doe you see walking in here actually had seen me already manipulating the camera and was pretty well on to me from the moment she walked out. Now, you're probably also wondering at least a little bit why I didn't shoot. Just being completely honest, I thought this doe was another fawn. It looked very, very small to me and didn't look all that much bigger than the fawn that was with her. That being said, eventually she did kind of calm down and just kind of end up hanging out for a little bit. And then eventually they both just kind of walked off. Alright everybody, as you saw, unfortunately I did not get a deer this evening. I did have my chances. Seems like how it works whenever I hunt opening day at crossbow season, it ends up turning into the fawn parade. Because this fawn just kept coming back and coming back. Oh well, that being said, I want to thank you all very much for watching. You have an absolutely wonderful rest of your day. If you're getting ready to go to bed, you have a good night's sleep. I'll see you on the next one. Deer season's not even close to over yet. Alright everybody, when I was putting this video together, I realized that after just my hunt, this video was only like 5 minutes long. So a couple of days later, me and Chandler also went out hunting. He was sitting behind the crossbow this time. So we're just going to go ahead and jump right into that hunt now.
Alright, it's September 24th. We're out here, it's about 8 o'clock, and
it's 8 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock, and hopefully get a deer down this morning. But guess we'll have to see.
Here we go. This rain sucks. Alright everybody, well, it's about 10 o'clock. We saw a metric ton of squirrels, but did not see a deer. Oh well, I think the rain has them probably holed up, whether it's in their beds or really just somewhere not here. But either way, that's why they call it hunting, not killing. See you in a minute. Alrighty, well, unfortunately it didn't work out the way we wanted to. Didn't end up seeing anything other than a bunch of squirrels. We ended up going squirrel hunting later that same day, and also we did a little bit of fishing that same day as well, so be on the lookout for that video coming very, very soon. That being said, that is going to do it for this particular episode. I want to thank you all so very much for watching. You have an absolutely wonderful rest of your day. If you're getting ready to go to bed, you have a good night's sleep, and I will see you on the next one.